So now we're looking at Chapter 3 assignment, problem 6. We're being asked to calculate the mean round-trip cost for a flight to Atlanta and a flight to Salt Lake City. Using the Excel built-in function for average, which is the mean, first click on Enable Editing so that we can actually alter the data. Next, we're simply going to type =, average, select the average function, highlight our data, close the parenthesis, press enter. We can copy that formula to the next column to get the same average calculation for Salt Lake City. So we can see that Salt Lake City is more expensive to fly to and from than Atlanta on average. From these various cities. And since they asked for the answers to do 2 decimal places, it's important that we use the number command to expand the number of decimal places, because we have to keep in mind that Excel will round off your values. So rounded to 2 decimal places, we have 356.7273 and 400.95. So putting those answers back into the assignment and checking the answer, we see that those are correct, and we find that yes, Atlanta is less expensive to fly to on average than Salt Lake City.